Hello guys, Silvertime here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please hit subscribe and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. If you like unboxing, tech reviews, gardening, car modifications or even Mobile Legends, this is the place for you. Today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A51 and we'll do a quick review about it. So let's start. Okay guys, so this is the Samsung Galaxy A51. It was released earlier this year. You can actually buy it in Shopee or Lazada for about 15,900. It comes in different colors, but we chose the Prism Crush White color. And let's see what's inside. So inside the box we have the cell phone, the SIM ejector tool, the warranty card, a quick start guide, the 15-watt quick charger, the Type-C USB cord, and we have the earphones. Okay, so the phone has a Gorilla Glass 3 front, a plastic back with a rainbow effect. It looks like glass but it's really plastic. The frame is also plastic. It has an L-shaped quad camera, and unlike other phones like the previous one which has the teardrop or the raindrop, this one has the punch hole. The phone has a 6.5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. The black is really black and the color is really accurate. It has a in-display fingerprint sensor and a face unlock. Volume and power on the right, a SIM card tray on the left. On the bottom we have the stereo jack, the Type-C port, the microphone, and the speaker. On top we have a secondary microphone. This phone has a 4000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy A51 has an Exynos 9611 chipset and is already Android 10 with 6GB RAM.
What else? Mega kill! Your team destroyed a turret! Monster kill! Killing spree! Wanna play Risk Wrestling?
The phone has a 48-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, a 5-megapixel depth camera, a night mode where you can shoot at low light, and a 32 megapixel selfie ultra wide camera. Okay, so I think that sums up everything. I hope you liked the video and see you next time. Bye bye.